After learning about basics of templates, now let us talk about few more types of layouts of templates. Actually, there are predefined templates that you can effectively use in your campaigns. What you have to do, you have to just select a template, make some adjustment, and your template will be ready. Let me show you how to do it. Here we have few featured layouts like show your product, share a big news, and others. Few of them are available free of cost, and if you want to use rest of the featured templates, then you have to upgrade to the premium version of the Mail Chimp. Let us select this one. You can easily customize this template according to your requirements. I want to change the background color. Just change it from color. You may also set an image as background. First, let us change the logo image. Just click on Edit button and replace the logo image. You can customize the headline. Just edit and give new headline. This is the image block. Just add a new image to the template. It's done. Again, we have text block. Customize it according to the content of the mail or purpose of the mail. Next, we have call to action. Just set an appropriate call to action by going to the edit section. Give the address of your landing page. I am just giving the link of my website. Next block is image plus caption. Just replace the images and the captions. Here we have to just insert a link on the given text from the edit section for both caption 1 and caption 2. Give links to your social platforms. Before we save it, let us preview it. Make sure all links inserted by you are working. Just save it and give a new name to your template. Yes, your template is saved. Let us look at the last type of the template in the theme section. Here you can see beautifully template designed with color and images. You can use them as it is or just customize them slightly by going to the edit section. Few of the themes are free of cost, but rest of the themes are paid. To use them, you have to upgrade to the premium version of the Mail Chimp. To edit any theme, just select it and all the options will be available that we discussed previously. You can customize the theme as per your preferences or the requirement of the business or the interest of your audience. Just save and exit. We have talked about templates, but so far we haven't talked about Content Studio of the Mail Chimp. Let me give you the brief overview of the Content Studio. Go to Content Studio. This is simple interface of Content Studio. It seems to be more like of media library in WordPress. In the Content Studio, we can organize and use the different forms of content like files, products, Giphy, Instagram and My Logo. First we have files. Here we can save various types of files, not necessary to be images only. You can upload any image or any file to this section, and later on you can use it in your email. As I said, it's not only the images. You can upload any file like PDF, video, or other types of files. Let us upload one PDF file here. Now you can copy the link of PDF file and it can be sent directly to anyone, and when he will open this link in the browser, the file will get open. You can also use it within the mail. For example, you must have noticed that sometimes we receive the mail where we can download the ebook, video, slides, or other material. So this is the way we can upload the file which others can download. Next we have product. As of now, it's not showing any product. But if you have your e-commerce website, you can connect to the Mail Chimp, then all products will be shown here and you can use them in your mails. Next we have Giphy. These are all GIF format animations. You can include them in your mail to make it more engaging and interactive. You can also integrate your Instagram with the Mail Chimp. Your all posts will appear directly in Studio and you can use them in your mail. For this purpose, you have to connect your Mail Chimp to the Facebook. Just click Synchronize Instagram Post. Give permission to Facebook to access your profile. Press OK. Your Facebook account is now connected to the Mail Chimp. If you want to test it, just click the test connection. Yes, it is connected now. Go back to MailChimp Content Studio. It has fetched one post from my Instagram account. Next we have logo. You can set any image as your default logo and it will be used as logo in your all mails. Just select any image and from view details, set my logo. Further, you can organize the content of the studio by creating different folders. So I have given you the complete detail of designing email templates using various blocks. Now I advise you to design at least 2 templates at your own to learn this process effectively. Now we all are set to launch our first email marketing campaign. So just join me in the next video.